Hi everyone, Max here with the Alumni Heritage Association for another beautiful pancake breakfast where we had pancakes. Thank you to over 900 people who came out. Even though the weather was a little bit cold, we still had a great turnout and a beautiful sunshine. Thank you to our helpers. Thank you to our first graders for making the magic happen, our maple syrup experts. We look forward to seeing you all next year. Go Owls!